Welcome to this tutorial on how to place a trade on Etoro. Etoro is a popular online trading platform that allows users to buy and sell various financial instruments such as stocks, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. To get started, you need to create an account on Etoro and deposit funds into it. First, log into your Etoro account and navigate to the dashboard. Here, you will see a list of available markets and instruments. You can browse through the different categories or use the search bar to find a specific instrument. For example, if you want to trade Apple stocks, simply type Apple in the search bar and select the Apple stock from the search results. Once you have selected the instrument you want to trade, click on it to open the trade window. In the trade window, you will see the current price of the instrument, as well as other relevant information such as the daily change in the market hours. You will also see a buy and sell button. To place a trade, click on the buy or sell button, depending on whether you think the price of the instrument will go up or down. You will then be asked to enter the amount you want to invest. You can choose to invest a fixed amount of money or a percentage of your available balance. Next, you can set a stop loss and a take profit. A stop loss is in order to sell an instrument when it falls to a certain price, limiting your potential losses. A take profit is in order to sell an instrument when it reaches a certain price, locking in your profits. These orders are optional but can help you manage your risk and maximize your returns. Finally, click on the Open Trade button to execute your trade. Your trade will be opened and you will see it in your portfolio. You can monitor your trade and close it at any time by clicking on the Close Trade button. It is essential to remember that trading carries risk and you can lose some or all of your investment. It is crucial to do your research, set a budget, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Additionally, it is recommended to start with a demo account to practice trading before using real money. By following these steps, you can place a trade on Etoro and start trading various financial instruments. Always keep in mind to trade responsibly and within your means.